but these ain't bad. So this is lot. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So here I am with another one, but this is different. I was normally going through my day and I got an email saying something about some early access shoes off sneakers, some off-white dunks. Now, when I seen the word off-white, I immediately lost my mind, because I don't cop nothing like that. Like, I can barely get a pair of regular dunks. So what makes you think I'm gonna get a pair of off-white dunks? So here we are, first time. I haven't even opened the box. I don't even know what's in them. They did a good job with that, like making a whole mystery and blah blah blah. But yeah, I don't know what's in these. So I'm about to open these joints right now, and you're about to witness it. First of all, this box is kind of fire. Dang, they messed my box up? It's crazy. Nah, this is pretty dope. I don't know if y'all can see, but autofocus. Sorry, I ain't gonna be able to show. But it has these cool little patterns. Got these dots, circles, cuts, whatever you wanna call them. I think you have a little doodle Nike check. I think this tape aesthetic is pretty cool too. Like, they have like this tape, makes it seem like it's handcrafted or whatever, or like out of a warehouse type thing. But the crazy part, bro, there is no, if I can get it to focus, there's no lot check on this. So I don't even know what shoe lot or whatever it is, you know. I'm about to see what they are. I don't know if I'm gonna be a fan of these, but I'm gonna look. These ain't that bad. I actually like these. So you got your nice, I think these are, I don't know what this is, like a dope suede. This suede is crazy. Now, of all the shoes I bought, I always pay attention to quality. And I would say for a fact, like, this leather is different. It's buttery. You know, you got your tag, little green tag right there, little off-white tag. Got your purple laces, little pink off-white tag. I think that's pretty lit. And you got the tongue that's pink as well. Yeah, bro. So this is lot 15 out of 50. I think these are pretty cool. I was debating if I was gonna flip these, and I'm not into the whole buying shoes just to flip them. Like, I buy shoes so I can keep them. I think that's the goal for me, is to keep the shoes that I buy. I dig these. The leather is nice. I like the toe box leather. I think, you know, the quality, I'll give the quality on these shoes, I give it a complete 9. A 9 out of 10. Typically I'll say like 8.7 or 8.8 or whatever. No, I just give it a flat 9. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Come here. Let me. What do you think about these? Give your honest opinion.
They look pretty cool. They're different.
Do you honestly believe they're cool though?
Yeah.
You like them?
It would never be anything I would wear, because you know how simplistic. Is that a word?
You can make it anything you want to make it. Simplistic.
You know how simplistic I can.
You just say simple. How simple you can be. Yes, I'm pretty simple too. But I really do, and I think what makes the shoe so interesting is that you can kind of take these laces out, and it gets to be a gray and like a two-tone gray shoe. You know, I feel like this shoe can be very much so neutral, and you can wear it with anything. Yeah, and just to think too, not a lot of people gonna have this. Like, so.
And you didn't have to make them.
And I didn't have to make them. You hear that? She's an advocate of my creativity. Oh, like I said before, if you're new to this channel, if you don't know what I do all type of things creative, whether it's customization, tie-dye, illustration, anything. So if you like this more than sneakers or more than sneaker reviews, or if you like sneakers in general, I typically take Air Force Ones, Vans, whatever, and I customize them. So if you rock with that, subscribe to the channel. I will not let you down. It's fun. You know, I try to get my friends, my family involved. I try to do reactions to all their stuff. So, hella videos on the way. Just getting started. So yeah, stay locked in, stay tuned in, and we'll entertain.
This reminds me of cheese.
Of cheese.
The yellow, the holes.
The yellow, the holes. Cool. Cheese bottom. Oh, I didn't even show you this side. This side got the little tag. That's hard. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna keep these, but who knows? All right. So, I'm about to drop some B-roll so y'all can see a close up of these, and till next time.